the memorial, I went up and I started my speech.
My mom was remarkable.
About, I don't know, maybe about like a couple seconds into it, the first time I said mother in the speech, at that exact instant, the bird landed on my head.
She was a great daughter, a fantastic sister, a wonderful wife, and most importantly, she was an amazing mother.
I reach up to figure out what's on my head, and it lets me pick it up. I could swear to God there was some sort of recognition, I was just holding this baby sparrow in my hand, and it looked at me, and it flew away. I'm not a religious person at all, and it's incredible. I mean, it's something that cannot be explained. I mean, there's nothing that can explain that moment. There's no doubt in my mind that my mom was there.